Okay, take him out in the yard.
Come on, let's go.
Just training session.
Could you please stop it? Stop it. Give me your paw. Thank you.
Okay, go. Go.
Wait, I need Tucker's.
Well, honey, just go.
Oh, come on. Tucker, you are not slipping out of it. Let's go. Come on. Okay, let's go a little bit. Hey, come on. Oh. Tucker, come on. No! You're not taking me on a walk. I'm taking you on a walk. Gosh, okay, let's go. Come on. Lulu, let it go. You're hurting Tucker. Right here.
On the foot. Cord, you're right on the foot.
Oh, darn it.
The other foot.
Okay.
Calm down.
Go, Keon. Go, Keon.
Ow. What, Tucker?
The advantage of having a little head, huh, Tuck?
Someone takes Tucker. Take Tucker things. I'll do
Tucker
them
is
one at a
free. He ran away.
I'm doing them one at a time. No. No. No.
What are you saying no to?